187.
Let's play black car, black Audemars. For the love of money, I'ma die hard. Fucking role model, tell these bitches, play your part. I blew up off one take, I take it down, I'm a movie star. Foreign cars, my language off. Old school like Coolie High. Yo bitch, she getting sodomized. My money blink like Lloyd's eyes. These niggas telling like all lies. Say they won't beef, but they french fries. I'm hot poppin', nigga deep fried. These bitches sweating me first five. Tell Nikki, she want China, she'll turn you out. Had a white bitch like no doubt. Bustin' nuts for 4 hours. I'm on the jet getting drugged out. Jordan face, her tongue out. I'm throwing money like paper routes. My flow hard like the rug out. She eat pussy, cat down. Can't see me, background. School niggas, cap gown. Click clack, smoke cloud. Lumberjack, tall niggas. Paul Bunyan, I wish you would. All my niggas like Trayvon. Ready to die for they hood. Ball hard, no fucking catch. My shit real, yo figures wax. Yo Rollie ain't Rolex. Like Mankind get sock next. We don't fuck with P90X. Cause all my niggas they do is flex. My car made for races. Like it fuck with rednecks. I'm on some different shit. Hop out, then I pull up. Motherfucking little Mikey, icy like cooler. I don't need no help. Never fuck with no tutors. Talking all that head. Dome you in your medulla. T-Bar, I'm stepping out. Bill money, I'm handing out. I ain't scared of y'all niggas. Manny Pacquiao. Strip search, I pat it down. Wiz Khalifa, I'm smoking loud like ASAP. I got a fucking problem. I'm a problem child. Woo!
187.